In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete Microsoft Teams account. Keep in mind that Microsoft Teams is tied to your Microsoft account, so when you close the account, you are not just removing Teams, you are closing the Microsoft account itself, which can affect other services connected to it. Before you begin, take a moment to make sure you have saved any important files or conversations you may need later. To get started, open your web browser on your computer. In the address bar, go to account.microsoft.com and load the page. Once you are there, sign in using the Microsoft account you use for Teams. Enter your login details and complete any verification steps if Microsoft asks for them. This is normal, especially if you are signing in from a new device or location. After you are signed in, look at the top navigation bar. Click on the option labeled Your Info. This takes you to a page that shows your account details and settings. Now scroll down toward the bottom of the page. Take your time here, because the option you need is usually near the end. In the Account Info section, find and click Close Account. When you select it, Microsoft will open a confirmation area, sometimes called the Ready to Close page. Read through this confirmation page carefully. It explains what happens when your account is closed, including the types of data and services you may lose access to. When you are ready to continue, go to the bottom of the page and click Next. On the next screen, you will see several checkboxes. Click every checkbox to confirm you understand the impact of closing your account. These confirmations are required, and they make sure you acknowledge things like losing access to subscriptions, files, and other linked services. Next, you will see a drop-down menu that asks for a reason for leaving. Select the reason that best fits your situation. Then click the button labeled Mark Account for Closure. This is the step that submits your request to close the account. Finally, click Done to finish the process. After this, your account will be marked for closure according to Microsoft's timeline and rules. That covers everything you need to know.